Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about the Leakey Foundation. So they are providing the research grants for PhD and postdoc students. Advanced doctoral student, advanced to candidacy, all about dissertation and established scientists are eligible for Leakey Foundation research grants. There are no citizenship restrictions, however, all applications must be written in English. Funding. A Leakey Foundation inclusively funds research related to human origins. Priority of funding is commonly given to exploratory phases for promising new research projects that meet the state purpose of foundation. The majority of the Leakey Foundation research grants awarded to doctoral students are in the 3,000 to 15,000 range, with a funding limit of 20,000. Larger grants given to senior scientists and postdoctoral researchers may be funded up to 30,000. As of May 2022, the funding limits have increased to 20,000 for PhD candidates and 30,000 for senior scientists and postdoctoral researchers. The deadline for the scholarship grants are from January 10th to July 15th. We occasionally make exceptions to our application. If you are experiencing extenuating circumstances that you believe would preclude you from meeting the deadline, please contact us. You can also take a look at new requirements, new policy. Please consider the following if you are thinking to apply for foundation. In this research, you can take a look here for PhD candidate. Will I be advanced candidacy? We do not award fund to individuals. Am I fully complete for all prior Leakey? So you can take a look about that. How to apply? Please use the detailed application instructions as well as application guidelines. These are the instructions to how to apply for Leakey grants, research grants. Budget template, past results. Please download the following supporting documents. You can download these documents and apply for the scholarship. If you have any question related to application procedure, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. And this is the application guidelines. You can also take a look to that. Yeah, if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.